The highly anticipated 2024 Subaru BRZ TS was unveiled at Subiefest California, making its global debut on July 23rd. Showcasing state-of-the-art STI-tuned suspension and a powerful Brembo braking system, this vehicle is set to take the performance and handling experience to unprecedented heights. Marking a first for Subaru, the EyeSight Driver Assist Technology will be offered in a model with a manual transmission. As Subaru reintroduces the BRZ TS to its model lineup in 2024, car enthusiasts can expect it to be available at Subaru retailers early next year. The BRZ TS's extraordinary performance stems from its unique build. STI-tuned Hitachi front and rear dampers have been designed to leverage the vehicle's lightweight, ultra-low center of gravity for enhanced handling and stability. This is coupled with a superior Brembo braking system, featuring gold-painted 4-piston front calipers and 2-piston rear calipers, delivering higher stopping power and improved pedal feel. The BRZ TS also sports 18-inch wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires for improved grip and faster cornering. The 2024 BRZ TS is a game-changer for Subaru, offering EyeSight Driver Assist Technology in a manual transmission model for the first time. This award-winning safety system, now standard in all manual transmission models, includes adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking system, lane departure and sway warning, and lead vehicle start alert. In addition to its high-performance features, the BRZ TS boasts a stunning modern design. Exterior details include functional aerodynamic elements, large air intakes, a low grille, proud fender arches, and dual exhausts. The car's overall design exudes power, complemented by unique TS badges on the front grille and rear deck lid. The interior, meanwhile, is finished in black upholstery, with contrasting blue stitching and the iconic STI logo, to create a visually captivating experience for the driver and passengers. Under the hood, the 2024 BRZ TS is powered by a 2.4-liter, 228-horsepower Subaru Boxer engine paired with a 6-speed close-ratio manual transmission. This model also includes a suite of standard features, such as keyless access with push-button start, LED headlights, vehicle stability control with track mode, and more. The TS also incorporates additional features such as an upgraded audio system, blind spot detection, and Starlink safety and security. Prices for the new 2024 Subaru BRZ TS will be announced later this year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.